What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SAVA ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with fundamental news that's surrounding this company for a while. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast and probable outcome for the price action. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks, link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we have to have a retracement, usually that has a shape of simple zigzag. And my main assumption was that we have to have one more leg to the upside to complete the B wave, and then we should have the lower price action in order to have this simple zigzag. And I was completely right that this retracement wasn't complete, but I was wrong with this point. I missed it. I didn't expect that we might have this massive surge in price for more than 40% in order to complete the B wave. And I was completely right that we should have at least the price action around $50 price point. And for now, as you can see, we have comparable length of this retracement compared to entire structure from this bottom to this top. And I have to say that we are potentially nearing the bottom, or we already hit the bottom right here, slightly below $50 price point. And in my opinion, we might have at least a good bounce again to unload all indicators. But I will share you my thoughts on technical analysis in several minutes, and let's continue with the fundamental news. So, for those of you who don't know what Cassava Science is, let me quote you its profile. Cassava Science, a clinical stage biotechnology company, develops drugs for neurodegenerative diseases. Its lead therapeutic product candidate is simufilam, a small molecule drug which is a complete phase 2b clinical trial, and investigational diagnostic product candidate is SavaDx, a blood-based biomarker diagnostic to detect Alzheimer disease. And I don't want to dive deep into their financials. I did it on one of my previous videos. I just want to show you the news that is surrounding this company for now. So, on August 25th, we have this article that is titled Cassava Sciences falls on concerns over Alzheimer's trial. And let me quote you these bullets. With a decline of roughly 23.5%, Cassava Science has extended losses into the pre-market in reaction to an aftermarket report that raised concerns over the quality of studies into the company's experimental Alzheimer's drug simufilam. A letter from a lawyer named Jordan Thomas of Lebanon Sachero was posted on a government website, urging Billy Dunn, the director of FDA's Center for Drug Evaluation and Research, to pause simufilam clinical trial. And I have to say that it is extremely unusual to have this type of letter from third parties. And let's continue. Given the many obvious problems with the underlying research to protect vulnerable Alzheimer patients, the current clinical trial should be paused while the rigorous audit of Cassava's research is conducted, the letter dated August 18th read. In response to allegations, Cassava Science said the claims mentioned in the post are false and misleading. As a science company, we champion facts that can be evaluated and verified, CEO Remy Barber noted. This helps people make informed choices. It's important for stakeholders to separate facts from fiction, which is why we wish to address allegations head-on. In July, a state news report cited independent researchers who said that the phase 2 interim results disclosed by the company for simufilam in patients with mild to moderate Alzheimer's were overblown, inappropriate, and uninterpretable. So, as you can see, these news drastically affect the price of the stocks, and from August 25th till present day, this stock is down for about 58%. Massive sell-off. And of course, you can dive deep and do your own due diligence what is the real point of this study, and are these studies real, and maybe this company is misleading the FDA. But in my opinion, you just have to be extremely cautious because at the end of the day, these biopharmaceutical companies operate on extremely competitive market, and that's why a lot of them experience a different pressure from other companies and from competitors as well. And that's why you have to be extremely cautious with these type of investments. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you might see, we broke this support line, this trend line, and we don't need it anymore because it is irrelevant for now. And we have this ABC correction for now. And I have to say that ABC correction has to have 5 waves in its ending wave, in its C wave. And for now, let me show to you more thoroughly. We have only 2 waves. And from this top, this is the first wave, this is the second, this bottom is the third one, and we have to have a retracement to the fourth one. And potentially we have to have one more leg to the downside, and this leg might be either truncated, or we might have a double bottom, or we might have an extension in this 5th wave. For now, nobody knows what will be the price action, but what can we expect? First of all, we have this previous bottom, swing low, as our major support for now, and let me mark it for you. This line should hold in order to remain bullish, because if we will break this line, we will see much lower price action, because technically we will fail this wave that was right here, from this bottom to this top. And if we fail this wave, this will indicate that this company is officially starting its bear movement. And that's why we might see a lower price action if we will break this support. And for now, let me show you. If I measure the length of the A wave and compare it with the length of the C wave, let me show it to you. I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this top to this bottom and to the top of the B wave. And usually C wave has a 1-to-1 extension compared to A wave. And for now we have the level of around $45.81 as 1-to-1 extension. And this might be next potential bottom for the entire movement, and we might land the 5th wave right here, slightly below current swing low. And what might be the top of our 4th wave? Let me clean the chart a little bit. To project this bounce, I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top, not from this one, because we have to measure only the 3rd wave, and I pull it from this top to this very bottom, and we have these levels. First of all, the level of 0.236, it is at price point $67.3, and we might hit it, and we have about 80% probability to hit this level, if it is the real bottom of the 3rd wave. Next one, we have about 65% probability to hit the 0.382 level at price point of 78.16. And from these 2 levels, we might have a trend reversal. And from these levels, we might hit the price point of $45. So, what to expect next? In my opinion, we should patiently wait, because we still have huge bearish pressure that this company is experiencing from some third parties. And when we will see some signs of trend reversal, when we will see the green volume right here with the movement to the upside, and when we will establish new higher highs and higher lows, at this point you might enter your position if you believe that this company has a very promising study and this company has a very good results in their research. So, and from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. And with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!